Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm so happy you're here, ready to dive into the fun world of home decoration with me. Whether you're starting from scratch or just wanting to refresh a room, we're here to share simple, approachable ideas to spark your creativity. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get started on this design adventure together. First things first, let's talk about lighting. It's amazing how the right lighting can completely transform the feel of a room. For a cozy, lived-in feel, I love scattering table lamps around the room, on side tables, console tables, even bookshelves. Floor lamps are another favorite, especially for adding a touch of drama and height. And don't underestimate the charm of string lights. They bring a touch of whimsy and warmth, perfect for a cozy reading nook or draped above a headboard. Imagine being able to adjust the brightness and even the color of your lights with just a tap on your phone. Combine different types and heights to create depth, interest, and that warm, inviting glow we all love. Now let's talk color. Choosing a color scheme is like adding personality to your space. If you're drawn to a clean and modern look, a monochromatic palette is always a good choice. For a bolder statement, embrace bright and vibrant hues. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. A colorful kilim rug, bold throw pillows, and artwork that pops. For a serene and calming atmosphere, soft pastels might be more your style. The most important thing is to choose colors that make you feel happy and at peace. With the lighting and color set, let's move on to furniture arrangement. The key is to think about how you and your family actually live in the space. Do you love gathering for movie nights? Then create a cozy seating area around the TV. Pull furniture away from the walls to create the illusion of more space. And use rugs to define different areas within a room. A large rug under your sofa and coffee table can create a cozy conversation area. Don't be afraid to mix and match different materials and patterns. Now comes the fun part, adding those special touches that truly personalize your space. Rugs are like art for your floors and can instantly transform a room. Throw pillows are an easy and affordable way to add color, pattern, and texture to your sofa or bed. Wall art is another great way to inject personality. And of course, no home is complete without a touch of nature. Plants not only purify the air, but also bring life and vibrancy to a space. You can also bring in natural elements with botanical prints, wood accents, or even a simple vase of fresh flowers. You know I love a good DIY project. There's just something so satisfying about creating something beautiful and unique for your home with your own two hands. One of my favorite easy DIYs is macrame wall hangings. Another easy project is mason jar vases. If you're handy with tools, why not try building your own shelves? Reclaimed wood is a great option for this. It's eco-friendly, affordable, and full of character. You can also repurpose old furniture into something new and exciting. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. There you have it, some of my favorite home decoration ideas to inspire your next project. Remember, decorating your home should be a fun and creative journey, not a chore. It's all about reflecting your personal style and creating a space that feels comfortable, inviting, and uniquely you. Thanks for joining me on this design adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future design inspiration. Happy decorating!